In 1925, a legendary mandate was issued to build the best motor car in the entire world, and history changed forever. Conceived to glide across the asphalt with peerless authority, this magnificent machine introduced a standard of quiet opulence never witnessed before. Beneath the sweeping hood lay an engineering marvel, delivering effortless power that transformed turbulent journeys into tranquil voyages of absolute distinction. As decades evolved, the Phantom II arrived with a completely redesigned chassis, marrying breathtaking performance with supreme coach-built elegance. Master coach builders sculpted bespoke aluminum bodies by hand, ensuring that no two Phantoms were ever truly identical in their breathtaking presence. The Phantom III introduced a formidable V12 engine, cementing the Marquis's reputation for mechanical sophistication before the storm of global conflict. Reserved exclusively for monarchs and world leaders, the rare Phantom IV became the ultimate symbol of diplomatic prestige and sovereign authority. The Phantom V brought commanding proportions and modern luxuries, ferrying titans of industry and cultural icons across the capitals of the world. Through the Phantom VI, traditional craftsmanship endured, protecting the timeless design language while quiet mechanical refinements enhanced the peerless ride. At the turn of the century, a monumental rebirth took place at Goodwood, securing the illustrious lineage for a brand new era. Launched in 2003, the Phantom VII shattered expectations with bold proportions, massive wheels, and undeniable road presence. Built upon an exclusive all-aluminum space-frame architecture, this behemoth delivered structural rigidity wrapped in effortless, cloud-like weightlessness. Inside the cabin, up to 18 flawless hides were selected, inspected by hand, and stitched into masterpieces of tactile sensory indulgence. Exquisite open-pore wood veneers, book-matched to mirror every natural grain pattern, wrap passengers in organic warmth and architectural splendor. Above, hundreds of fiber-optic lights were hand-woven into the ceiling leather, recreating custom constellations tailored to each owner's exact astronomical desire. A massive V12 engine propelled the heavy luxury liner forward with turbine-like smoothness, remaining completely silent at any cruising velocity. Advanced air suspension combined with predictive camera systems scanned the road ahead, dissolving every imperfection into a frictionless magic carpet ride. Rear-hinged coach doors swung open to welcome occupants into a private lounge, offering dignified entry and absolute seclusion from the outside world. The Phantom VIII introduced the gallery, an uninterrupted sheet of glass spanning the dashboard, allowing owners to showcase bespoke commissioned fine art. By hand alone, a master pinstriped artist applied a flawless 7-meter coach line along the vehicle flank, using a single squirrel hairbrush. Over 600 pounds of sound insulation transformed the cabin into a quiet vault, where whispers echoed and external chaos simply ceased to exist. From custom exterior paint infused with crushed diamonds to personalized picnic hampers, limitless customization transformed cars into personal statements. Self-righting wheel hubs ensured the iconic double R monogram remained perfectly upright, spinning gracefully while the center emblem stayed poised at attention. As dusk settles over urban landscapes, the illuminated Pantheon grille commands absolute respect, casting a regal glow across the modern metropolis. Every line, curve, and proportion was calibrated to project uncompromising authority, elevating transportation into an expression of eternal distinction. Organ-stop air vents, polished metal dials, and heavy lambskin rugs ensured that every touchpoint felt substantial, authentic, and breathtakingly luxurious. Approaching a full century of dominance, the Phantom remains untouched by fleeting trends, standing as a monumental monument to enduring perfection. To travel in a Phantom is to transcend mere movement, wrapping oneself in an impenetrable cocoon of peace, prestige, and engineering art. From the roaring 20s to the silent electric horizons of tomorrow, the spirit of Ecstasy continues to guide the pinnacle of human achievement. It is not simply a motor car. It is a masterpiece forged in history, destined to remain forever the best car in the world. Subscribe and follow for more deep dives into automotive history, luxury craftsmanship, and the engineering legends that defined our world.